Favor, what are you doing here?
Uncle Frank, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. What are you doing here? You're supposed to be at home. School just wait. What are what do you want to do?
Oh, I want to sit on your lap.
You want to sit on my lap? Why?
Uncle Frank, I like you, but Oh.
Wait. Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Like, what gave you the audacity to do that? You just came to my house and you want to sit on my leg. Why? Something is wrong with you. My friend, kneel down there. Kneel down. What kind of attitude is this? Wait, this is the reason why you came to my house? Just to come and do this nonsense? This is not what Cain is going to solve. Stand up. Come here. It's high time I spoke to you. Come here. Favor, wipe off that nonsense smile off your face. Favor, what is wrong with you? Huh? What do you mean by you want to sit on my leg and you just came to visit me just like that because you know my house? What is wrong with these teenagers? How old are you, Favor?
15.
You're 15 and you're already focusing on boys. At this age and time, you're supposed to be focusing on your studies. What is wrong with you? I know that whatever you're feeling right now is just a teenage exuberance. You just want to explore. You think you have come of age. You're only 15. What you should be doing now is focusing on your studies and not boys. I don't blame you because most of you people on your age, they are exposed to social media. Seeing things they're not supposed to be seeing. Seeing things they're not supposed to be exposed to. What is all this? Let me ask you a question. What do you want to be in future when you grow up?
Lawyer.
You want to be a lawyer? Exactly what I'm saying. If you want to be a lawyer, you need to focus on your studies. To make your family proud, to make yourself proud, to make me proud. Lawyers study. People don't just wake up and become lawyers. If you want to be a successful lawyer, you will focus on your studies and come out with good grades. Not this. I'm sure your parents don't even know you are here. Why would you visit me without the consent of your parents? Your parents don't even know your whereabouts. You're 15, Favor. You should be focusing on your studies. Not all this. Now, if I was to be a wayward person and give in to all this nonsense you're doing, what do you think will come out of it? Either pregnancy or infection, ruining your life. You're too young for that. Focus on your studies. If you have friends that are whispering things to you, desist from them. Are you hearing what I'm telling you? I need you to make me proud. Make your parents proud and make your own self proud. Because come 10 years or 5 years from now, you might regret all these actions you're taking if you don't change. You hear what I'm saying? Focus on your studies.
Thank you, sir. I'll focus on my studies.
Good. Now that will make me proud. Please leave. Whenever you close to school, you go home first. Little girls, they think they know already, but they don't know.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Uncle
How can I help
Frank. Yeah, Uncle Frank.
you? Sorry, who? Who is asking?
You don't remember me?
No.
Favor from Golden College. Favor, this small girl. Yeah, you taught me.
Favor.
Yes.
Wait. Favor. What's that your name? Favor.
Animation.
Oh my God. Wait, what happened? Why are you this big?
Okay. You know, I'm a woman now, and women tend to grow fast.
Wow.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh my
I'm
God.
fine.
How did you know I'm here now?
Oh, I actually went to your former house, and someone directed me that you moved.
Oh,
to that
yeah, I
place.
left that place a couple of years back. How are you now? You're not looking bad.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're done with studies?
Yes, I'm done. Yes.
Wow,
Yes.
congrats.
And you never age, uncle. Look at you, still young as ever.
Of course, I take care of myself. You know,
Yeah.
you're grateful. Wow, nice one.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Uncle Frank, I actually came to say a big thank you to you. A very big thank you.
You don't have
You know, back then when I was showing myself at you, I really appreciated it because you did not take advantage of me.
to. Oh.
You encourage me, you speak so much words to me, and look at me today. I am now a successful lawyer.
Oh.
Yes,
Oh,
and
thank
I'm
God.
married. Yes,
Wow.
yes, yes.
Okay. Congratulations.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, sir. To a businessman, a very worthy businessman.
Oh.
He's doing good.
That is it. That's life for you. I'm grateful for that.
Yes.
Now I'm so proud of you.
I should be saying thank you to you, because if it were other men, they would have taken advantage of me then. So,
We thank
with
God.
that being said, sir,
Yeah.
I would like to appreciate you with a token of 5 million naira. I know it's something small, but at least just for me to appreciate you. Thank you.
5 million. You want to give me 5 million?
Uncle, it's not.
Hey, Chineke, oh my God,
Uncle,
Jesus.
please don't.
5 million naira. Where am I supposed to?
Uncle, please.
If not that you are my student, I would have lied down on the floor.
No,
Thank
now
you,
that's
thank
not
you.
got into that.
Hey.
Let me have your phone number, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi, 223410.
Uncle, please calm down now.
I'm just excited.
Please.
Hi, 5 million.
22.
Yes.
Yes.
1304.
13.
Let me confirm it.
Calm down now.